Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So today I'm in Tilehurst and this is number 40 Grasmere Avenue. So before we head in, I'm just going to slowly move around to give you an idea of the area. So as you can see, lots of residential properties all here. Just round the corner, you're about a 7-minute walk to Waitrose supermarket. There's Tilehurst train station down the end of the road as well, with trains into Reading to take you to London or out to the countryside. So the property I'm bringing you today is this one here. It's a semi-detached home. Driveway parking here for at least 2 cars, plus also the garage. And what I'm going to do, before we head into the main property, I'm just going to show you the garage here. So it's a fantastic dry space, as you can see, and there's a door from the rear to take you out. There is electrics in here as well, and currently being used for storage as well. Now, a couple of the properties on this road will have had garage conversions as well, if you wanted to increase the living space downstairs. So we're just about to head in, and feel free to ask me questions on this tour here as well. This is a interactive viewing, so feel free to ask me any questions. I will do my best to answer those for you as well. So once we're in the front door, we have the main reception room, and what I love with this one here is these plantation shutters. They add so much character and charm to the property. It is lovely and bright in here as well, and the feature fireplace in the corner here, absolutely gorgeous. So the wall is at a slight angle. It is the design feature from this property here. So just walk on round, give you an idea of the size. Absolutely gorgeous. And the flooring as well, just showing that there. So it's a really good quality wood flooring. It's not the click-clack stuff. There's your radiator. It's lovely, really full of charm. Heading through the doorway, we're into the kitchen, and I love it. I love the solid oak worktops, and then for me, it's all about that range cooker as well in the corner. Lots of room, lots of space, and this kitchen island here as well. This is where they tend to sit up and eat their dinner. So this is really a family space. It's a family room. Lovely sink as well, all porcelain, and then you've got this range cooker with the railway sleeper above and the extractor fan, so lots of cupboard space as well. This door here is your larder, and currently lots of space, lights in there as well. It does carry on underneath, under your stairs, but then out here, and we've opened up these French doors here to give you an idea, but you could quite easily shut them off during the winter. Let's just show you them here as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So they've created like a utility space here, and then where the golf clubs are and the bar stools is this used to be an outdoor toilet. So you've got a waste pipe here. If you wanted to make this a more permanent structure, which they did look into a few years ago, but they never actually completed it, you've got the waste pipe there should you want to add the toilet back in. So this lean-to conservatory provides extra space. There's heating and electrics out here as well, so it's all been done correctly, and they've loved it, but it was just never a 100% permanent structure originally. So there's the back side of the garage, and then we're out into the garden. Lovely sunny day today, so absolutely wonderful. Nice table here. Now, being where we are up on the hill, you do get the stepped part. I'm just heading down the garden. So there their children love running around in here, or their child loves running around in here. Just going to show you sort of under the cover of the trees, so you're not really overlooked, you're nice and protected. We've got decent sized shed as well for more garden storage. And then looking back at the house here, absolutely wonderful. Lots of lawn space. Now you could, next door on both sides have actually had extensions to the rear to basically take up what is the patio, blackcurrant bush. So you could increase the size of it, put a full extension on should you want to. You'd be bringing it into line with the other properties, so planning permission would be granted if you decided to do so. These guys have decided not to do that, but that is a possibility for you. So heading back into the home, just close the door there, and what we'll do, we'll head on through, and I'll just again show you the door. I love the fact it's of the same style with those large black metal hinges. Again, just adds to the character of the property as well. So just take my shoes off. So downstairs is all hardwood floor, and then we're just heading upstairs into the bedrooms and the family bathroom. You can see here carpeted, nice big window as well at the top of the landing. That's so much light in. So this is the small bedroom, now currently being used as a creche, nursery, but look at the size of the window for that there. Really good size, perfect as a home office or as a nursery for you here. This here is bedroom 2, which is a good size double. Lovely big picture window over the front and being used as a home office as well. Excuse me. And the carpet, really good, nice thick carpet, lots of life in this one here. Excuse me, frog in my throat. So coming on through here, we have the main bedroom, and again, it's a really good, comfortable double bedroom. You've got lots of storage here, and then what they've done as well, I'm just going to walk around this side, is they have built in these wardrobes here. Okay, so adds to the storage for it. So really good space. Nice large window again, overlooking that back garden. And down the bottom of the hill is the train line. So you will hear the train occasionally, but you soon get used to it. Trains don't run after, I think it's about midnight, 11 o'clock, so lovely and quiet afterwards. So into the family bathroom, and they have really modernised this one here. Nice modern sink, and then the box of the stairs is just below it, and then you've got this bath here, shower over the bath, and then the white unit for the toilet. It's a lovely modern feel to it, yeah. Oh, answering the question there that's come in, so boilers up in the attic, so you do have some attic space. It is definitely more storage than developing, but boilers up there. Unfortunately, I can't show you up into the attic, but boilers in there, and it is serviced regularly. Attic is partially boarded for that one as well, to answer the question. So what I'm going to do, just head on downstairs now, and yeah, so feel free to ask any other questions. You can also obviously request your private viewing should you want one. I'm really looking forward to showing this one off. I think you really need to come out and have a proper look at it to fully appreciate the property itself. This has been an amazing family home for these guys, and they are now looking to upsize in the area. If there's no other questions, I want to thank you very much for... Oh, fantastic there. Brilliant. So those of you that have responded will be in touch very soon to get you all booked in. I want to thank you so much for joining me for this one here, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Any other questions, feel free to get them in touch, and we'll be in touch soon. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.